I visited New York about 7 times, but I've never been to Roosevelt Island. And I came across this Roosevelt Island tram when I looked up online, and I thought I'm going to take it. So right now I am on the journey to the other side of the island. The views are nice. The ride is only about $3.50 or something, so it's as much as the cost of the subway ride. It's not expensive at all, and it's got nice views on top. That's my uncle accompanying me. I mean, I really like someone to go with me, so we're gonna go watch sunset on the other side. Look at the view, guys. A lot of tourists have been taking this ride off late, and it got so popular that the tourists are taking frequently that there are longer wait times and queue times, and residents are complaining that it is taking forever for them to reach their homes on the other side. This is a cable ride, and there are only 2 trams, one going each way. So if you do ever visit New York, go take a look at this island. It's amazing. So I would recommend you go for sunset. Right now we are getting a peek of the river. I think they call it Hudson River, but I may be wrong. View of the bridge. The view. Well, this visit, this is the place that I wanted to go, and it has become my favorite. Usually it's my Brooklyn Bridge is my favorite spot, but this island is giving good competition, if you ask me. So the whole ride is about 3 minutes long, and then I got to the other side. We're almost arriving at the island now. Well, this is a lesser known for tourists. They all come, they check out Manhattan, they check out Brooklyn, and they do a couple of activities at Times Square, and they leave. So if you do come across this video, make a plan, go see Roosevelt Island if you could. So that's the tram from above. I already reached the other side. So you have a nice view. I'm just taking a walk. Now you take a look at the rest of the video. So it's pretty soothing, I must say. That's the tram. Looks some kind of fancy box, right? It can fit up, I think, about 50 people or so. I'm going to show you the whole island just in a bit. Just taking a walk, and this was a perfect fall. I've never visited New York in fall, and this is my first time. It's a vibe. There you go, you get the whole view now. Yeah, what do you think? Do you like it? See, you have fall colors. That's they had a university. I don't recall the name now. Capilla or something like that. I don't recall. You could do like photo shoots, wedding shoots and all that. Oh, there was a couple taking photos over there. And that's me. Well, that's New York.